This is the installation instructions for PuMA version 1.0. So the first thing is, once you have downloaded the distribution, put the tar.gz file in the folder where you want it. Then open a terminal as seen here. And the first thing we need to do is make sure that the dependencies are installed. So in order for this installation to work properly, you need the C++ compiler. I recommend GCC. So to test if you have that compiler, type in GCC. If it says command not found, then you need to refer to the installation instructions in the PuMA documentation on how to install GCC. If it says, as it does here, GCC no input files, then it means that you do have the GCC compiler. The next thing is we need to make sure that we have the Qt libraries installed on the system. Most systems do come with Qt libraries, but to check, we need to make sure that we have a qmake option. Now this will come in a few different possible commands. It could be qmake, it could be qmake-qt4, or it could be qmake-qt5. So to test if we have this, say qmake-version. If the command is not found, try qmake-qt4, and then try qmake-qt5. Now in this case, we have a qmake-qt4 version 4.6.2, which is fine. As long as you have a Qt version 4 or version 5, the installation process will work fine. The next step is going to be extracting the puma.tar.gz file. You're going to do this with the command tar-xvf and then the PuMA zip file, which will extract all the files into the directory. Now navigate to the generated folder, and inside the folder you should see a number of different subcategories and a number of different scripts. In order to install it, we need to run the installation script. In this case here, you can see that the installation script is green, which means that it is executable. If for any reason it's not executable, you can make it executable by saying chmod 700 install.sh, and then just run the installation script. Now, what this is doing first is it's installing the libtiff library, which is used to read TIFF images, and it's installing the FFTW library, which is used for Fourier transforms. These are installed in the directory of the PuMA software, so you don't have to have root access in order for this software to be installed properly. This installation process will take a couple minutes. At the end of it, the code should be compiled and a PuMA window will appear. I'll skip ahead to that. So as you can see here, a PuMA window appeared, which means that the installation process worked properly. So now from the folder that we use the install script, the software can be run in the future by running the run.sh script, or it can be run by navigating into the folder that has all the source files and running the executable. And there we go, the installation process is complete. If for any reason this did not work properly, please reference the more detailed instructions that are available in the documentation. It could be that a dependency isn't met. It could be that the system architecture requires a little bit more of a complex solution. So if that's the case, please reference the PuMA documentation.